Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kid19 here, going back to another video. So I actually just got home. I was at my dad's house this weekend. But I got back home and I got a new t-shirt, a new wrestling t-shirt. I hope I don't get a lot of hate for this one. Honestly, I like him as a wrestler. I mean, I like the older version of him better, before he kind of like left a bit. But he's not that bad. So, yeah. I'm gonna unbox it. Whatever, it's not really a box, but you guys know what I mean by now. Third wrestling t-shirt review. Okay, receipt thing. I missed the garbage can. And there we go. Here's our bag. WWE sticker. Okay, new WWE t-shirt. I might get another one actually. I might get an Evan Bourne one. I don't know yet. Oh wow. It's really big. Size. Oh. Alright. It is a Curt Hawkins t-shirt. Wow. Oh, shoot. That is very big. Oh, man. That is a very big t-shirt. Well, just holding it this way looks really big. Let's try it on. I'll have a shirt under it, so maybe it'll help it. I don't know. It smells like chemicals. Yeah, it's pretty big. Oh man. I might have to shrink it, because I don't think I can return it now from ripping the bag open like Hulk Hogan. It is really big. Yeah, I'll probably put it in the wash to shrink it, but Jesus, I thought it wasn't going to be as big. And I lied. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got all these on it because it says 0, and then all of his losses. He is on like, I don't even know what number he's at anymore. This says Hawkins, and then Curt Hawkins on the back. It's pretty cool. So yeah, you probably see me wearing it. I just needed a new WWE t-shirt because my other ones will fit me, as in AJ Styles and Kevin Owens. But I just needed a new one. So yeah. There it is, guys. Very big t-shirt. Probably have to shrink it because there's no way I'm sending it back. It took a while to come here. So, yeah. Friends texted me. There you go, guys. Curt Hawkins t-shirt. Really big, but I don't know. So, hopefully I don't get a lot of hate for this video. I say he's not a bad wrestler. I mean, besides the fact that he has a bunch of losses. But like when he was part of Edgeheads and with Zack Ryder and stuff, he wasn't bad. You know, he has fans, you know, but whatever. Haters gonna hate. So yeah. Curt Hawkins t-shirt. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.